Alright friends, so in today's video I will show you that if your cable is not charging your iPhone, then what is the reason it's not charging and what is the solution to make it charge or make your cable work. Alright, so let's see if it's charging or not. So I'm trying to push the cable, and when I press it, it gives me a charging option, but actually when I leave the cable it's struggled to charge, and it's, as you can see, the charging light, charging sign or symbol is not coming. So I have to really move around the cable to get this phone charging, right? Otherwise it doesn't charge. So there's nothing wrong with your cable. What is the problem is the charging slot. So what you need to do to get this fix, so you take a toothbrush, and I have never tried this before. This is the first time I'm trying to get this fix with the toothbrush. I only saw on Google or YouTube. So let's try this if it works. First I'll take the cover out and let's try this. So you got to put this into the hole and try to clean it. Make sure that the brush goes right as much as in it can go. I'm trying it. Doesn't look like anything coming out from it. So I found a pin. Let's try this, if this can make it work, because the brush wasn't doing it really good job. So put this pin inside. See, there's a dust here came out. Let's do it more. Make sure just don't damage the inside thing. So it's coming out. I can see that. Maybe you can't see it in the camera. See, can you see it? It's there. A lot of dust. Let's do it more. Yep, it's coming out more. Let's try insert the cable in again. Let's see if it's better now. Okay, much better. Perfect. Did you see this, guys? I insert the cable and the phone is now, without wiggling it or moving around, it's charging. Beautiful. Did you see this charging light? I did not have to do anything else. And the phone is now charging, right? This what was the reason, that there was a dust inside the slot, and that's why it wasn't charging the phone. Or I had to really move around the cable to make it charge. And did you see this, guys? This was the dust, and there were a lot of dust came out. So instead of toothbrush, if you will use the pin and try to clean from the pin, try to take the dust out from the pin, this would work 100%. Alright guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.